Felix and Winston here, the other way around I should say, with a quick update on what the heck happened today. Why is the market up today? One very simple explanation: unemployment is up. And you might be thinking, is that really logical? Well, it's this whole theory that bad news is good news and that the Fed will pivot because unemployment's going up. But I don't think the Fed will pivot. I think the Fed will do the half percentage hike we were expecting. I still think the Fed will keep rates higher for longer. Now, the one thing that's really going to matter much more than today is PPI numbers tomorrow, Producer Price Index. The market's really pricing in some serious volatility on that one. But we're getting to a point where bad news is going to become bad news, and where people are going to think, well, if we're getting this recession, we're getting high unemployment, that will be bad for earnings. So this exuberance today, honestly, I think it makes no sense. And if you look at what went up, not necessarily the greatest stocks in the world that went up the most. So it's one of these like positivity, happiness bounces, which, Winston endorses, of course, but it doesn't really make a lot of sense fundamentally. So I still think the risk is to the downside, except if the data between now and the 14th comes in much lower. So inflation, much lower. PPI tomorrow, much lower. On the 13th, CPI data, much lower. Okay, then we get a Santa rally. But if it comes in sort of as expected, then no, I don't think it makes any sense. So funds, big funds, CTAs and so on are long. They've bought a lot, almost as long as Winston's nose, and they are therefore much more likely to actually sell stuff than buy stuff. So the way the market's set up, if you look at massive hedging, I was trying to set up some options trades just now, and the only thing I can see volume for are just puts, like at pretty low levels for all sorts. So just a word of caution from Winston and I. None of the above, of course, is financial advice. I wish you a beautiful day no matter what you're doing, and we are going to be playing here a little bit in the rain, aren't we? Are we? Do you want to chase the ball? Any last thoughts? No? All right then. Have a beautiful day.